our blue planet, home to over 7 billion people. And all of them need textiles. To satisfy this demand, up to 60 million tons of natural or synthetically produced fibers are processed into textiles every year. Did you know that the production of just 1 kilogram of textiles requires up to 600 liters of clean water and about 1 kilogram of chemicals? That's 10 million tons of chemicals year after year. Including many that, when used irresponsibly, involve risks for mankind and the environment. Risks that affect us all. And how do we handle that? More and more companies in the textile production chain accept the responsibility of managing these risks. They do not test millions of different components. They are Bluesign system partners. They are well on top of their chemical management, keeping it as simple as possible and without any risk. They know that the only sensible way is to manage the risk chemicals properly from the beginning, so that the poison isn't even used in the production process. Bluesign supports its partners in this process, every step of the way. The result is an ideal production process with non-hazardous chemicals for sustainable textiles. Bluesign approved. The best-known textile manufacturers and brands already rely on the Bluesign system today. In this way, they reduce the effects on mankind and the environment, and at the same time, also their costs. This holistic solution achieves the aim, the best avenue for us and our blue planet. Bluesign, managing inputs, responsible actions.